A 70-year-old monk died leaving behind lakhs of rupees. This incident took place in Holalkere town of Chitradurga district. Gangadhara Shastri used to recite scriptures, perform good deeds, offer astrology consultation, and organize puja on auspicious occasion when he was alive, but died a lonely death a week ago. He owned 16 acres of land, paddy fields, and 4 acres of coconut plantation. 2 days ago, when devotees paid a visit to Gangadhara Shastri's house, they happened to come across huge amount of money amounting to 30 lakhs inside his house. It includes currency notes and coins. All his earnings came from agriculture, minus 46,000 rupees donated by followers. Followers have decided to summon a meeting on July 7th and also form a committee to manage his properties. Followers will build a tomb on Gangadhara Shastri's land.
ಚಿದು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಕಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಎಣಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೋಟ ಅಣ್ಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡೋಣ